Hi everyone, hope you're well. In today's video, I just wanted to show you how to fit a Pneumatrol namur mount solenoid to a pneumatic actuator. So we've got the Pneumatrol solenoid here, and we're going to fit it onto the actuator. So we've removed the sticker that covers the ports, the dust sticker, and we need to decide whether we're going to use it in a 5-2 configuration or a 3-2 configuration. So as this is a spring return actuator, we'll be using the 3-2 configuration. If it was a double acting actuator, we would use it in the 5-2 configuration. The solenoid comes in the box with two plates, one for 5-2 and one for 3-2, and that's easily identifiable on the plate as it's stamped with 3-2 or 5-2. So we take the 5-2 plate for this version, and we want to make sure the air goes into the inlet port, which on this high torque actuator is on the right hand side. So we've got the two O-rings on this side that go up against the actuator, and then we've got all the internal O-rings which go up against the solenoid. So we take the solenoid, we make sure we've got the 3-2 plate, we put it, make sure we get it the right way around. There's a little locating pin on there and a hole in the plate. So that pushes onto there. We turn that round, and then we get 4 sets of bolts in the packet. So we get a long bolt and a short bolt, and we actually need the short bolt version for this particular actuator. So we take the 2 bolts, we take the Allen key, we fasten the bolts into the actuator. And just double check again here that I've got the 3-2 plate for the spring return actuator. We then remove the cover for the electrical connection. We take our air, which we put onto the solenoid. Nothing moves because the solenoid is not energized, there's no power to the solenoid, so there's no air going into the actuator. We then take our 24 volt supply, because this is a 24 volt coil on this particular unit. We look into the terminal strip at the positive and the negative, because it is polarity sensitive on this particular version. We apply the positive, we apply the negative. The coil energizes, the spool moves, and it lets air into the actuator, and we can see that the valve is open. As we take off the power, the coil de-energizes, the spool moves back to the closed position, air exhausts from the solenoid, and the valve goes back to the closed position. So open, close, open, closed. And that's how we fit and test a solenoid valve at Valve and Process Solutions. Thanks for watching.